Hello and welcome back to CLMB's Crack Knuckle Productions. My name is Chris, and today I want to talk about how I make assets for my maps. So, instead of having to draw out each and every single one of these city markers that I use for my map, I've done a little bit of a shortcut. And so, for example, you can see over here I have what I call my map assets. And what I'm able to do with these is I'm able to go over here, simply drag and drop these in. And then I can select the name and I can call it whatever I want. So let's call it Nedra. Okay. And simple as that. And it's a very effective way to be able to populate your maps with cities and places like that. So I want to show you how I would go around making these. So open up a file and choose yourself a shape. Now, the size that I'm going to choose for this is going to be 1.5 millimeters. And I'm going to go ahead and make this a black in the first layer. And then I'm going to use this tool here, which is contour. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit smaller. One moment, let me copy it. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and make this a bit smaller, like this, and go to my colors, and let's go ahead and make it white. So we have this now all together, and I want to put a little bit of a detail for just to add something kind of nice. So let's go ahead and add a teardrop. I don't actually use this particular symbol in my maps, but for this tutorial it's just simply to show you how to do something like this. Okay, let's make it a little bit smaller. Let's make this 0.3 and this one 0.7 and again 0.3. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and I'm going to center them all together. So now it's all centered, and I have myself my icon that I can use. So the next thing that I want to do is I want to put a little text box here, which I'm going to go ahead and just call name. And what you can choose whatever it is that you're wanting to place the text box. So you can place it here or here, anywhere really works. I'm going to go ahead and place it here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to group this all together. And as we can see here where my mouse is, I have a single object now, or single group, and I'm able to then take this and bring it over. It's now in my assets. So going back to my map originally, I can go ahead now and use this. For example, I can go ahead and place it right here. I would then make sure that this is on the right layer, and there we go. It's out of place on this map, but that's essentially how I would make my icons for my maps. Alright, thank you for watching, and happy world building. Blessings.